What's up, guys? It's Tavey. Welcome back to the channel, man. What's up, Watch fam? How are you guys doing? I got a new video for you guys. I'm just gonna give you guys my honest opinion on my new pressure washer that I picked up for the upcoming wash season of 2025. Mind you, we are starting over, guys. I'm starting this journey over from zero. I used to do pressure washing and lawn care, but I decided that I also used to do mobile detailing, but I decided that I'm going to just do strictly pressure washing and document the journey on YouTube and show you guys the ins and out of the pressure washing business and what I do in and out in my business. But guys, click like, subscribe, and comment down below, guys. All of your feedback is noted, so let me know what you got to say. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get straight into the video. I'm gonna have in the background right here. The video playing right here, guys. So of me using the machine. But anyway, guys, I picked up this pressure washer from Northern Tool. The pressure washer was on sale for $999. It's a Powerhorse. It's a Powerhorse hot water gas pressure washer. It's ran by propane, so that's how it gets it was ran by gas, but in order for it to get hot, it's ran by propane, guys. I never had a hot water pressure washer. This is kind of a starting pressure washer. That's like my hot water pressure washer. I'm gonna use this basically for concrete flat work. I also might do some downstreaming with it, so you'll see me do like probably some house washes with it, but not like roof washing and nothing like that, guys. I'm actually working on getting the South wash system from Northern Tool also. I think that's $2,000, so I think I'm gonna work on getting that, guys, next so I can be able to do the roof washes and stuff, and I can do house washes with the South washing system. But this pressure washer right here, it ran for about $1,000. I got the 1-year repair plan on it, just in case something goes wrong. You can't never be too sure, guys. You know, this machine, they put it together. I got it. I went to Northern Tool, rolled it off the showroom floor. I guess nobody wasn't buying it. I mean, I haven't seen many reviews on this machine, so I'm assuming nobody really been buying it. But hey, decided to take a chance. If something goes wrong with it, worst case scenario, we got the repair plan and we can, use that. But then again, guys, it was $1,000. You couldn't beat that. That's a great price for a hot water pressure washer. It gets up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, if I'm not mistaken. So, I mean, that's pretty good. Getting hot, you can get oil stains off, gum, all that stuff off. You can adjust the temperature. You can adjust the flow rate also. The GPM of this machine is 2.6, guys. It is 2.6. It's not recommended to, do pressure washing with the 2.6 gallon per minute machine, but this is what I have. Usually you want to start off with a 4 gallon per minute, guys. If you watch any YouTube video, any pressure washing guru, they will tell you need to start with 4 gallons a minute or better, or the higher. 4 gallons a minute, guys, is like the best to start out with. Okay, so that's that. It is 36,000 PSI. Did I say that right? PSI? That's air pressure. I'm losing my mind right now, guys. But anyways, it's 36,000. 3,600. I'm sorry, 3,600. And yeah, I mean, it's a great machine. It's lightweight for me. I mean, you can put this on a trailer. You can put this in the back of your truck. It's lightweight, has wheels on it. You can lock it in place. The burner's not too big. The tank clips on the back of the machine, so you don't have to haul the tank around. I'm working on putting this on like a trailer, a trailer build. I'm gonna show you guys that in another video. But I'm working on doing a trailer build also, so you guys gonna see it on a trailer. I'm gonna get reels for it. So yeah. But my plan basically is to start doing have it on the trailer. I'm just gonna start doing driveways and house washes, not roofs right now, but window cleaning. I want to do window cleaning too. But like I said, I'm gonna start with the concrete and do house washes. For my house washes, I'm gonna get an X-Jet system, guys, and also I'll be downstreaming off the pressure washer too. So it's gonna work out, guys. I mean, we're gonna start with what we got. But yeah, guys. Overall experience with the machine, guys, it's a great machine. I haven't had any problems out of it. It gets hot enough for me. I haven't put it on my surface cleaner yet. So we're gonna see how it performs with the surface cleaner, guys. I did get the surface cleaner off of Amazon. It's rated for like 5 GPM, I think 4 or 5 GPM, and this is a 2.60. But with the hot water, it should perform really well. So we should see on that. So you guys stick around for that. That video will be coming up. Also, guys, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, guys. We are getting back in the swing of things. We're gonna start pumping these videos out. The next video should be my trailer build, if I'm not mistaken, or it might be a marketing video. I don't know. I'm going to show you guys how to set your Facebook ads up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do your Google My Business. So if you guys need Facebook ads ran, guys, you can shoot me a message or anything on your social media that's coming down below. Also, guys, follow the TikTok. I'm going to be posting on there too, and I'm going to be posting on YouTube Shorts and YouTube. So you guys check all my pages out. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I had for the machine. I mean, it's a great machine, guys. It washes really well. In the video, I was just spraying off cars with it, you know, putting it on the, what's the thing called? My mind went blank. What's it called? The foam cannon. I put the foam cannon on there. I turned the heat down a little bit. I didn't turn it all the way off. Turned the heat down a little bit. It performed really well. It surprised me. But yeah, it's very. I feel like the machine is gonna be very convenient. If you're starting, if you want to get like a starter hot water pressure washer, I decide you to get this. If you want to start, you know, with a hot water machine, guys, I suggest that you get this one. It's $1,000. And it's hot water. You can't beat that, guys. You really can't beat that. So if you want to see what hot water does, guys, versus cold water, check out the Powerhorse is at Northern Tool, your local Northern Tool, or you can order it online, guys. Go check it out. Also, guys, if you want to get a 4 gallon per minute cold water, a good cold water would be the Predator. I had a Predator for a long time, guys. 4 gallon per minute. That thing, I left it out in the rain. I did a lot with that pressure washer that I didn't supposed to do with it. But it lasted a long time. I recently got rid of it last week. That's why I got the hot water one. But I got rid of it last week because the spark plug, the part that connected to the spark plug to the machine, it got burnt up due to the muffler wasn't being tight. The muffler was like jiggling, vibrating every time you cut the machine on. So eventually it got hot. The muffler hit the spark plug, and no bueno. It didn't work anymore. So I got rid of that and got this one, guys. But yeah, like I said, this thing is going on a trailer with a reel, so I don't have to take it on and off, on and off, on and off. Well, I will be taking the pressure washer on and off, because I do not want this one to sit out in the rain, guys, and get rusty and all that, guys. It's a beautiful machine also. I like how they did the colors with the blue and everything, guys. So yeah, I say if you want a starter budget pressure washer that's hot water, check out the Powerhorse, guys. It is at Northern Tool for $999. So with that being said, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. I thank you guys for watching, and wait for the next video. Watch, fam. Peace.